Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure -0.52. Contrast -16. Highlights +15. Shadows +31. Whites +17. Blacks -20. Go to color. Temp +27. Tint -10. Vibrance +10. Saturation -16. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue -35. Saturation +16. Luminance -21. Go to orange color. Hue -15. Saturation -10. Luminance -23. Go to yellow color. Hue -20. Saturation -100. Luminance +45. Go to green color. Go to aqua color. Go to blue color. Saturation -55. Luminance +17. Go to purple color. Hue -16. Saturation -34. Luminance +38. Go to magenta color. Hue -33. Saturation -51. Luminance -8. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +9. Dehaze +13. Slide down. Grain 14. Slide down. Go to Profiles. Slide down, select Modern 10x100. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.